The first reunion I attended, we did a tour of the campus and it was just amazing how much it's changed. The reunions have been going on for a long, long time. We'd all left college in the 1970s. I think the attendees really look forward to coming back together, reliving old memories here. We all love to wander around the campus and say, oh, remember when we used to do this here and that there, and they love going back to the bar for the, we spent every night in there basically, so it's just to relive memories and catch up with what's gone on ever since we left. It's important to stay connected because we've just developed such a fantastic family. We call ourselves the Carnegie family, and it's lovely to see how everybody's developed their careers, going back, from way back to the 1970s when we were all here, and it's just lovely to hear everybody's stories. Leeds Beckett, the Alumni Department, have been well, we just couldn't have done it without them. They've given us so much support, so much help with issues we've had in the background that we, as outsiders, for want of a better word, we just couldn't have overcome those obstacles. So we really are very grateful to the Alumni Department for the help and support they've given us. If there was somebody thinking of organising a reunion, I'd say, do it. We have such a fantastic weekend, and anybody who hasn't yet attended one of our reunions, if we can get in touch with them, we try and encourage them as much as possible to come along. They just don't know what they're missing.